Hello everybody. So it is late Sunday night, well late, like 10 o'clock. I don't ever record at night, but I am because I haven't been able to do this yet, and it's been here for a couple of days, and I want you to see it. My husband is in bed sleeping because he's going to work early, and I thought, oh, I'd take advantage of this minute or two to get into this. Like I said, it's been here a couple of days. I've looked at it a little bit. I mean, I checked out the package to see what it was. Because, you know, Christmas is here and I'm getting Christmas gifts and, you know, all kinds of stuff. So I wanted to make sure I knew what it was. So this comes from Amazon, clearly. Okay. And it comes in this cute little folder, this little plastic folder. I love this. This is so cool. And it's from this company, Milila. Milila? I think that's how you'd say it. Yeah. So, let's see how we open it. How do we get in? I don't know. I don't know how to get in. No clue. I don't know how to open it. Do you tear it? It seems like it should open here or something, but it doesn't. Does it? Ah, here we go. It's back here. There we go. Okay. Little Ziplocs in the back. So it's interesting that it comes like this, you know, in this package, and it's folded, and it's flat, and it comes out like that. Nifty. All right, we'll set that down there. And I'm in a different location. I'm in the office. Yeah. So you can kind of see what this is already. Look, it's kind of, everything's packed inside it. All right, so here's our toolkit. Toolkit. Basic. Here's our drills. They come in a strip. Okay, so I can see right off the bat this comes with PJ packaging, plain Jane packaging. So there won't be any DMC codes. All right, so here's what we got. Here he is. He's a little snowman. Isn't he cute? He's a snowman. I have done this snowman on a notebook, maybe? Yeah, he was on a notebook. He was cute on the notebook. He's a 30 by 40, clearly not really 30 by 40. It's probably going to be 25 by 35. It's got a legend on both sides. Legend over here, 20 colors. Legend down here. All right. Oh, and guess what? I totally am wrong. They have DMC codes right here. Wow, I have never seen PJ packaging come before with DMC codes, but they're probably not going to be on the packages, but it's on the canvas. That's cool. Huh. Poured glue. Let's bring you up close so you can look at symbols. Those look pretty clear. Although, I think there's some that are a little blurry, like, let's see. Let's get right in the business here. Right in here, this green, I don't know what it is. You can't tell. I think it's a % sign, so hopefully it's the only one that's weird like that, because it is kind of hard to read. Some of these blues in here might be a little difficult to read. There's U's and D's. Those are a little blurry. Well, you know, it does have DMC codes, though. I'm impressed. So let's look at the actual drills here up close. Okay, see, on the packaging, there is no DMC code. It's round, okay? So there's no codes on the package, but it's on the canvas. So there's some colors: orange, green, brown, pink, some blues, more greens, grayish. Pretty much all the colors you see right there on the canvas. So that's kind of cool. Huh. PJ packaging with DMCs on the canvas. So it's a neat little company. I mean, they're kind of cool the way these come. The symbols could be a little clearer. It looks like his hat's supposed to say something over here. but I don't know what that would be. I don't know, maybe it doesn't, but I don't know, it looks like it should. Kind of look like letters, but I don't know. So it could be a little clearer. Some of them are going to be a little difficult. I mean, I think if I put it on a light pad, it'll be okay, but he's super cute. They had several things, several different paintings you could choose from. And they all seemed, you know, pretty decent. So, yeah, check them out. Poured glue, so it should be sticky, and yeah, it's good and sticky. That fold should disappear pretty quickly. There's no wrinkles or anything, so the fold should just be, you know, got a little fold in the canvas. Lay it flat for a while. It'll be all right. But he's super cute. I could A-B up a little bit around here. Put some A-Bs in there. Mix it up a little bit. Yeah, we'll see what I got. But there you have it, you guys. The company is Milila. Check them out. They're on Amazon, so it comes quick if you have Prime and all that stuff. So, yeah. Check them out. See what you think. See if there's something there that you might want to try. I'll put the pricing and all that and the links and stuff below, so you'll know how much I paid. And of course, it came in just a couple days. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you've just found my channel and you want to see some more stuff that I have to show. I'm always showing you something. So, anyhow, have a great night, you guys. It's about time for me to go to sleep now. I will see you later.